How to log in to Paylocity account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Paylocity account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded the Paylocity application on your device. If not, you can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, open the application and you will further be led to the login portal of Paylocity. So, go ahead and enter your company ID, username, and password and tap on the Sign In option. Just in case, if you have forgotten the username or password, then you can also tap on the Forgot Username or Password option and recover your login credentials and log in further. You can also sign in with single sign-on, also known as SSO. So, this is how you can log in to Paylocity account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.